Hi, welcome to another video in the series that goes with the ebook How to Write Killer Headlines. This guide to writing killer headlines is available for free from www.howtowritekillerheadlines.com, or it is within the Facebook community group, which is called Number One Copywriting Community. This group is a exclusive private group, but anyone can apply to join, and it's to support people in improving their copywriting, because this is such an important skill. It's often undervalued in any business. If you want people to read your copy, to read your advert, to read your posts, to follow you, to like you, to go down your funnel and buy your products or services, you need to write copy that's powerful, that influences, inspires and engages. And the headline is that gateway, is that first bit of information. So today is a third step in the series. It goes with the brochure, the guide, 7 steps to writing killer headlines. And the third step is giving them a reason. If people don't have a reason to read copy, they're not going to read it. You haven't got long, you've got about 5 seconds or less to grab people's attention before they go on something else. So it's all about the why. Why should people read your copy? Why should people care? What's in it for them? You know, it's not just good enough to tell them what it is, but why it will make a difference, why it will help them. So ways to do this is to have benefits in the heading. You know, everything nowadays is about how you can help your client, how you can solve their pain or problem. It's not about the features, what something does, it's about how it can help them. You've got to get across straight away those benefits, that value. Also, ideally, a headline that should be shareable. It should be so relevant, so powerful that people think that's amazing. I want to share that. I'm going to tell people about this before they've even read what the actual rest of the content is about. Also, just some things you can use is you know, just I'm going to talk about later in some of the other chapters, but it's about shock and aversion techniques. So you want to make sure people think, well, I have to read this, I'm going to lose out if I don't. And include some power words. There's lots on the internet about power words. Google it, there's lots of different lists, but essentially power words are words that trigger certain response. They have create an emotive connection. They're words that have a strong, clear meaning that puts people in a certain state and are very effective to use in marketing. There are a lot of psychological sort of undertones, so they can be words like love, passion, you know, hatred, belief. You know, there's a whole list of them, hundreds and hundreds of them. But Google it. Power words are very important. So, how can you give people a reason to read your headline? How can you do that? Well, there are 7 ways, I think it is. So I'm just going to go through them. So the first way is tips. People love tips. Short, clear, bite-sized shortcuts on how to do something. That's 1, tips. 2, lessons. I don't mean formal lessons, but you know, education or learning. That's the only way we improve, and that's the only way we move close to our goal. You know, so lessons. Tricks are like tips, just a bit more sneaky maybe, but yeah, tricks, another way of saying tips. Ideas, inspiration. You know, everyone wants ideas. We all have procrastination. We all have hit that wall. We always have a moment where we can't think, we don't know what to do. So ideas are fantastic things to share. Ways to and hows to. So if you Google in the internet, it's flooded with hows to. And it's one of the biggest search terms on the internet. And that's how YouTube, it was originally sort of when it started, and it's so much of it content is how to. How do I do this? You know, how do I start a business? How do I improve my public speaking skills? How do I get a job? How do I learn this, do this? You know, how to's is a massive market. And but later that is ways to and the principles of. So these are all ways that you can hook people in, give them a reason, make them feel they're going to miss out if they don't read this content, this blog, this advert, this post. So for example, use numbers, be specific. So if we work for something, points I made earlier, tips, 5 top tips on how to. make money online. 2 easy lessons or easy ways to lose weight using this system. 5 tricks and tips on being a better public speaker. 10 unique ideas on a side hustle. The secret principles of a true leader. Be specific, give numbers, and use that sort of punchy, we're going to share something special with you. Make them feel important. Personalise it if you can, but make it feel important. Read this and you're going to learn something that's going to improve your life. Hope it's been helpful. There's a little session today where I've been talking about give people a reason to read your heading and then the rest of your content. So if you haven't already, you can join my Facebook group, #1 Copywriting Community. Get a copy of the 7 steps to rank your headlines on the website, www.howtorankyourheadlines.com, or reach out and get in touch with me via social media if you have any questions. Thank you.